Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at some Cuban cigars. These are the Hoyo de Monterreys, the Epicure Especials, which is basically their Toro format. You know, a lot of the sizes don't translate between Cuban and American sizes, New World sizes, but this is the size I like. I prefer a Toro, so that's what we're looking at. Got our box code on there so we can do a little authentication. They also have the PCC NFC stickers coming out on these. And just a quick reminder that these are not fail-proof. You can copy these fairly easily. So, as I mentioned in my Cuban cigar authentication video, it's a culmination of everything together that helps you guarantee you've got good sticks, or I guess authentic sticks. So let's take a look at some of these. Got your usual paper in there. I always have the hardest time with this paper, and there we go. Those are our sticks. So the Epicure Especial is one size larger than the Epicure number 2s, which the Epicure number 2 is my favorite cigar, but I don't have any of those yet. So these, a little bit bigger. Let's take a look at one of these sticks. Beautiful bands on this one. Nice wrapper, a little more veins than some of the other Epicures I've had, but I'm not gonna ding them on that. Let's take a look at moistures on these. These just showed up today, so fresh off the truck, we're at 62 on the foot. And nice and easy, 65 at the head. So we are gonna go get these in the box, help them kind of regulate, equalize, and then I'm going to try these in a couple of weeks because they have a box date of May 2024. So these are coming up on a year. So I'm going to give these a try once they've kind of had their travel sickness worked out of them, and then I'm planning on letting these age for probably 3 to 5 years before I, get into them heavily, and hopefully by then I'll have some to replace these. If you guys like this type of stuff, be sure to subscribe. And we will see you in the next video. Bye.